Hey guys, welcome to Yardie Belly TV, and today I'm here to share with you my unbagging. Yes, unbagging because it's not in a box, it's in a bag. Alright, so I placed my own Yardie Lifestyle order because yes, I'm supporting the thing. So we got something in here for the entire family, and this is just a testament that there is something available for anybody in the family, from the little one go straight up. So yeah, let us see what we have
Me hear
here.
your things. I hear that you have things.
You don't must hear that. Alright,
Hello,
so
folks.
let's unbag.
Unbox. I mean, unbags. And when you order your stuff, show them when you order your stuff, them come in a bag.
Yeah, and it's fine because it's fabric, so there's no, it's not a
It's
risk
not
for
broke.
damage. It's
Not
not fragile or anything. So.
Oh, am I now?
Alright, so the first item here is,
Woohoo!
since him already here and him can't wait, we'll just take out his own. This is his shirt. It feels so good. Feel it. It's super soft.
Yes.
Yes.
Like a
and
pillow.
This is the Jam Down Jamaica Jamrock shirt.
Oh, wow. It's come out real nice, see?
Yes.
And then you have the hashtag Yardie Lifestyle right there. You have Yardie Lifestyle right there.
Yes.
Nice, 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 nice. Make a put down.
And it's a nice charcoal gray color. You
I
can
like it.
You
I
know,
like
you can
it.
sit on.
Thank you so much. Thank
Alright.
you.
And the next thing we have here is a hoodie for the little boy.
Oh, that's mine.
Yes. Isn't this awesome? You're blocking the camera though.
Oh, sorry.
sit, Josh.
Isn't this awesome?
Yes.
Same thing. Jam Down Jamaica Jamrock Yardie Lifestyle. White hoodie, very, very soft. Feel like cashmere.
It feel like cashmere?
Right, feel it, Josh? Doesn't it
I
feel
felt
nice?
It does.
Feels so comfy.
Woohoo!
Yeah. So
That feel good.
this
That
is
feel
for
good. Yeah, feel-
Josh the Real.
Look how me look good now, eh?
And the last thing, last but not least, the best of all, the favorite of all, is my tank top.
Wow,
And
it's so
this
cute.
is the Jam Down Jamaica Jamrock Yardie Lifestyle.
That's so
Lifestyle.
nice.
And it has the racer back in the back here. Yes, yes, yes.
All right, we're gonna try it on and make you see how it look. Yep, right away.
So this light, airy, fun tank top is very comfortable. A very casual piece that will jazz up any outfit. Yeah, and it's a racer back. Has the design of the Jamaica flag with the words Jam Down, Jamrock, Jamaica. There's a racer back. Very nice with a little bit of sexiness. Yes. Girl, work it. So Josh the Real is jazzing this crisp white hoodie top with the same design, the Jam Down Jamaica Jamrock. Yes, give them the style with the hoodie. Yes, and anybody can wear a hoodie, male, female, kids, you name it. Hoodie is an all-time favorite for everyone. Nice comfy piece. Boom, boom. Yes. And now we have the real big man coming through with his usual comedic approach to things. This is an awesome quality tee, I tell you guys. Same design, different color. This is a rusty gray. Nice top, and it's always good to have t-shirts. And why not have a t-shirt that looks awesome? Nice. But something was said.
it, guys. 3 different styles. That's just a taste of what is available on Yardie Lifestyle. So go get yours. Something for the entire family. Good quality, and the designs are amazing. So if you're a Yardie, or if you're a Yardie lover, you just want to support Yardie Belly, you know what to do.
And buy all the shirts, and make sure you check out the designs, all of them, because there's a lot. And there's not only shirts, there's other stuff like jackets, sweaters, phone cases, and
Thank you, guys, and
I remember we turn a handmade fashion.
yeah,
oh yeah.
good idea. Bye. Oh, yeah.